I had to think about that.
Yeah, you did.
I mean, because
Don't scare
I
me
was
like
a little worrisome, because for a little higher level trial, I would have expected that, but I just thought you might not do that to people doing North Coast.
And we're gonna have you right here